Hello everyone, welcome to KN Technology Meeting Post Plus series tutorial video. In this section, we will walk you through the steps to account settings and license activation. Account settings. Click System, Account and go to Account Settings page. Then, you will see the Add button and the default account, Administrator. It is the primary management account, which cannot be cancelled. We strongly suggest you change administrator password on the first login. Just click the icon on the right side to modify it. There is no limit on the number of accounts you can create. Click the Add button, enter the account name and password. Authorize access right to at least one system or meeting module for this account. If you want to change the password or access right of the account again, please click the icon on the right side to modify it. You can also add a description to the account by clicking the word Note on the right-hand side of an account name. If you want to remove the account, click the icon on the right side and click Delete Account. License activation. Please make sure your network connection is active because the license needs to be verified via the internet. Go to System, License. Enter the serial number. Click the Activate button. If you haven't activated the app with a license, only one meeting room can be connected for 90 days. For detailed instructions of a specific function, please check out other tutorial videos, or refer to the online help on each page. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to follow our product news and details. Thank you for watching and thank you for choosing KN Technology.